it's not magic. This is a little science experiment. Put a whole bag of baking soda in the pan. Pour in a whole bottle of white vinegar. Let's stand and wait for the chemical reaction to finish. Stir and pour in water. Put it on the stove until the solution is transparent. Pour it into a glass. Let's stand at room temperature. Use a stick to get some residue, a little bit on the solution. They produce beautiful ice flowers. That's how water turns into ice. Pour a few drops of paint into the vegetable oil. Stir well and pour into clear water. You'll see a colorful meteor shower. 6 different colors of water in a circle. Take a piece of toilet paper. Twist into a twist as a lead for cups and paper cans. Let's sit all morning. You get a roll of rainbow-colored toilet paper. It makes you feel better. Pour water into a bowl. Pour in your mother's shampoo. Add some glycerin. Stir well. Dip the solution with a straw. The bubbles will be very tough. The child can play all afternoon. 4 pigments are poured into the milk. Add vegetable oil. You see bright universe and colorful happy planets. The popular science changed. Why don't we do it with the kids?